You see, man, you're neither one thing or the other. You shouldn't be getting erotic thoughts about electrical appliances.
It was a triple bag Easy Glide vac with turbo suction and a self-emptying dust bag.
I don't care what model it was. No vacuum cleaner should give a human being a double Polaroid. Do yourself a favour, man. Change back.
Back? Become one of those poor, sappy, Sadak Mechanoids again? This is my dream. Hey, listen, I've got a joke for you. Now, how many Mechanoids does it take to change a light bulb?